in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. I'm going to show you how to easily alternate the colors of your spreadsheet so that it will look pretty and easier for your eyes. So let's go ahead and go back to our plain page. What you want to do is click on this box under FX. And what this does is it's going to select the entire spreadsheet. Then we are going to click on Format. Down here, there's an option that says Alternating Colors. So click on that. And that's it. Over here, you can see that we have different formatting styles. You can pick whichever you want. And you can also customize the color right here. Now all we need to do is click on Done. That's it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!